Hey guys, it's your girl Ashley. If you're new to my channel, what's up? So today I have a tutorial on this eye look. I use the Naked Urban Decay eyeshadow palette. In case you guys don't know what it looks like, this is what it looks like. It's such a classic eyeshadow palette, so if you have it, take it out and let's create this look. So first I'm going to apply my base. I'm using the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre and I'm using this Rio Techniques brush. So I'm just going to apply this all over the eye. With this M433 brush, I'm going to grab the color Buck. And I'm going to be applying this on my crease, just going back and forth and slowly building it up. With the same brush, I'm going to grab the color Hustle. And I'm going to be applying this on the outer part of the eye. I'm going to grab some concealer. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. This is in the color 345 Oatmeal. And I'm using a flat concealer brush. I'm going to grab some of that. And I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the eye so that I can put the eyelid shuller. Yeah, the eyelid shuller. The eyelid... Why can I not speak? The eyelid color that I want. Back with the 433 brush, it has a little bit of that Hustle left. I'm just going to use this to blend the edges over here. Now with this JH41 brush, I'm going to grab the color Toasted. And I'm going to be applying this on the eyelid. Again, back with the 433 brush, it has a little bit of Hustle. We're just going to blend the sides here. With this JH34 brush, I'm going to grab a little bit of Buckle, which is the first color that we applied as our crease. Just get a little bit more of that. Now with this JH40 brush, I'm going to grab a little bit of that Creep color. And I'm going to be applying this on the end over here. But I'm being very careful with how I apply it because I don't want it to go too up. I want to focus the dark just on this side in the end corner right here. With the JH30 brush, I'm going to grab the color Naked. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this as my transition color to blend the edges here. With some black eyeliner, this is from Urban Decay. I'm just going to put this on my lash line because I'm going to smudge this out and this is going to help be my eyeliner. With this JH42 brush, I'm going to go ahead and just smudge this out. With the same brush and a little bit of that Creep color, I'm going to go ahead and just go over again this eyeliner very lightly to smoke it out a little bit more. So I want a little bit more darkness on the end, so I'm going to go back with the JH40 brush and that Creep color. And I'm just going to intensify the outer part of the eye with that basically black color. Also with the small brush and Creep, I'm going to put this on my lower lashes to smoke this out. Back with the 433 brush and a little bit of Hustle, I'm just going to make sure to blend out the ends here to make sure everything is good. With a small little concealer brush like this one, I'm just going to spray it and I'm going to be grabbing the color Sin. And I'm going to pop this in the inner corner to give me a highlight. All I'm going to do is apply this black eyeliner on the top waterline, this Wonder Pencil on my lower waterline, pop on some lashes, and that concludes the look. So this is the final final look. I hope you guys like this look. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, comment down below, let me know will you guys be recreating this look, what are your thoughts on it. Also let me know what other palettes you guys want me to use, what review you guys want me to do, all the goody good stuff. Comment down below. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat if you haven't already. I post little previews of what I'm filming and all that goody good stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.
So